Now I have here this very old telephone that I need to restore, and here the wire is cut for the hearing thing. So this phone is a little old. Those are the batteries out of the phone. Those are Everreadys. And I'll put my camera in here. So this is now the very first time in 100 years that I open this receiver here. American Electric Company, Chicago. This is what you put on your ear to hear. I have to replace the wire. It's like chewed through by rats or whatever. And I have to open this for the first time in 100 years. And you are witness in how that sounds like when I open this, I guess. Because this is some special material here. Let's see how that goes. Oh, be careful that it doesn't break. Nice. There we go. This is how this looks like. There it comes. There we go. Yeah. Look at this. Now I have to snap the cable here. Little dusty inside. So we're going to clean this up nicely, and then we are having to repair this here. Is that good? No? Like a nice screwdriver. No, this is not good enough. I need a better screwdriver for this. Do I have one? Not handy. Okay. We don't have one. So when you work with that very old stuff, you want, oh no, see, this is loose. You want a good screwdriver, huh? There. Oh, that's not bad either. Here. Just wrap this around twice so that you can't pull it out. Yeah, this is steel. And here, this is basically a loudspeaker. See that? There are the coils. And then this piece is then vibrating on here and making the noise. This is magnetic. All this has to be cleaned. Good. And then we get this to work again. Very dusty.